Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we discuss unit number 3 metal ligand equilibria in solution. मेटल वो होंगे जो डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट होंगे, लिगेंड वो होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करेगा. This is there are two methods to prepare metal ligand complex. First is stepwise formation constant is M plus L ml ml plus L ml2 dot 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 ml my ml n minus 1 plus L arrow mln. Formation constant K1 is equal to product upon initial. Thus, so these K2, K3 and Kn is equal to mln upon mln minus 1 into L. Now second step is overall formation constant. Overall formation of metal ligand complex. The formation constant beta 1 ml upon initial ml. Same below. तो बीटा n is equal to mln upon ml की power n. Now beta 1 is equal to k1, beta 2 is equal to k1 into k2. This is simplify किया तो finally v3 is equal to ml3 upon ml की power 3. Vn is equal to pi n is equal to n is equal to 1 to n is equal to n kn. Pi is equal to multiple all. Stepwise formation, then its rate of metal multiple all. Why stepwise formation values decrease? Firstly, all sides are empty. One ligand occupied one place, then incoming ligand which have less index. The more number of ligand attract to the metal, more to be the strike hindrance and less stability. जहाँ पर स्ट्राइक मोर जितना ज़्यादा हिंड्रेंस होगा वहाँ लेस स्टेबिलिटी होगी. Now next topic is thermodynamics stability. Thermodynamic stability of complex refer to its tendency to exist under equilibrium. It determines the extent to which the complex will be formed or be converted into another complex at the point of equilibrium. In other words, thermodynamic stability is directly related to the metal ligand bond energy. Kf means forward, Kv means backward. The rate of Kf is greater than Kv, metal or product is more stable. If rate of Kf is less, Kv metal product is unstable. The value of thermodynamic stability constant decrease regularly from K1 to Kn. That is K1, K2, K3, Kn. This is example. We can see that the overall rate constant decrease as the number of ligand attached with metal increase, then stability decrease. As the number of ligand increase, the crowdness increase and the metal ligand complex unstable. अगर रेट कांस्टेंट होगा डिक्रीज, नंबर ऑफ लिगेंड अटैच विद मेटल इंक्रीज, तो मेटल जो उससे अटैच होंगे वो इंक्रीज होंगे तो स्टेबिलिटी कम होगी. और अगर क्राउडनेस बढ़ेगी तो भी अनस्टेबल होगा. थैंक यू गाइज. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अर्लियर. प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू.